Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice chute door spring in an Amana refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice chute door spring. The ice chute door spring is mounted inside the dispenser on the side of the ice chute door. It's used for closing and keeping shut the ice door. If you notice frost buildup at the top of the ice chute and streaks of the condensation coming down on the back of the dispenser, and ice cubes melted and frozen together inside the ice crusher, check the ice chute door spring and replace it if needed. We need to remove this drip pan. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver because mine is not coming out easily. I'm going to start prying it out, and then I'm going to pry it from this corner. So next step would be taking out these 2 1/4-inch screws, and I'm using a nut driver, 1/4-inch. So I'm going to pull out, push down, and remove this dispenser cover. Turn it over, and we need to remove this couple of plugs. So I'm going to pull this one first, and then the second one. Now we can take it and place it somewhere until we need it. The next step would be taking out the 3 1/4-inch screws that holds the cover. In an ideal world, we should have been able to remove this water line from the bracket easily. But in our case, as you can see, it's all corroded. I don't want to take any chances of breaking that bracket. So we're going to take out this 1/4-inch screw on the left that holds the water line. And I'm going to peel the tape off here that holds the line. And we're going to drop down the bracket assembly with the solenoid and the ice door. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove this side of the spring from the actuator. And the same flathead screwdriver, I'm going to pry this actuator out of the bracket. Now we can slide this spring off. This is the old ice chute door spring next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to put the new spring on. It goes in this way. And make sure that the plunger is free. And we're going to push down on this lever. So it locks. And here also. Then we need to place the spring underneath there into that cutout. Push it down. And put it into this cutout. So now we can put this assembly back on. And then we're going to secure it with the screws. And the tape goes back on. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. Secure the screw. Alright, so now we're going to secure the cover with 3 1/4-inch screws. Now we can install the dispenser cover panel back. I'm going to connect this plug first. Then connect this plug. Turn it around and We need to engage these two tabs that goes inside here. Push it in, lift it up so the top locks. And now we can align the holes here at the bottom and secure it with the 2 1/4-inch screws. Now we can install the drip pan. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.